Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and service. If your mobile is strictly 4G, you cannot natively receive 5G radio. Instead, enable a 5G path by ensuring your carrier plan and SIM allow 5G, then acquire a 5G hotspot device or USB 5G modem. Once you have the hotspot, power it up and complete initial setup per the vendor. Make sure you note the hotspot SSID and password. You will use them immediately to bridge your 4G phone to 5G internet. Next, connect your phone to the 5G gateway, join the hotspot Wi-Fi, or enable USB tethering to the 5G modem. This gives your 4G handset a 5G internet path. Configure APN settings only if your carrier requires custom values. Incorrect APN can block data. Once connected, test for internet and check IP to verify external routing. Also make sure both devices run current firmware and OS updates, because compatibility or security fixes often affect tethering stability and speed. Finally, validate the setup. Run speed and latency tests to confirm you're benefiting from the 5G gateway. If speeds are low, move the hotspot to a window, switch Wi-Fi channels, or change bands to avoid congestion. For persistent problems, reboot both the hotspot and phone, reinsert the SIM, and confirm your account shows 5G provisioning. Also update firmware. If nothing fixes it, contact your carrier and hotspot vendor. This one step often resolves network or provisioning mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.